Hello, good evening. I got this ukulele for my birthday and don't have any idea how to play it. I don't even have any idea how to tune it. So, with the help of other YouTube users, I managed to tune my ukulele and look at their chords and playing certain songs. And one of the songs that I like most is the version of the Hawaiian guy. He's Israel Kamikoele or something like that. And I'm gonna try to play it. I've just learned this one from other YouTube users that teaches you how to do it. So I'm gonna try. Oh, it's a bit out of tune. Okay, let's do it again. Rainbow. I've heard of once in a lullaby. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Please, where trouble smells like lemon drips, high above the chimney top, that's where you find me. Somewhere over the rainbow. That you dare to dreams may wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Where trouble smells like lemon drops, high above the chimney top, I swear you'll find me somewhere over the rainbow. Oh, nearly broke. Nearly broke my flicks.